Welcome back guys. Today I am going to tell you about why do mosquito bites itch. Summer is a great season for being outdoors except when the bugs come out and start to bite. Among the peskiest of these are mosquitoes whose bites can cause itching for days, but why can't mosquitoes just take our blood and be done with it? Why do mosquito bites have to itch too? The short answer is the itch is an allergic reaction to mosquito spit. Yes, spit. Mosquitoes use a mechanism involving saliva to get as much blood out of you as quick as they can. A mosquito's mouth parts are made up of multiple tubes. The mosquito uses one tube to slurp up blood. Another is used to pump saliva into your blood vessels. The saliva acts as an anticoagulant which is preventing blood from clotting and thus making it easier for the blood to flow without disruption. But as it turns out, humans are allergic to some of the proteins in mosquito saliva. What does it mean? That means that even though the saliva is harmless in and of itself, our immune system are hypersensitive to it. The body reacts to saliva by releasing histamine, a biological substance that dilates blood vessels in order to facilitate the arrival of white blood cells, blood plasma proteins, and other immune system tools at the site of injury. Guys, so in this process, histamine causes allergy and inflammation. The best way to avoid the itching is to avoid mosquitoes in the first place, and although mosquito saliva is harmless, it can carry dangerous diseases such as West Nile virus, Zika virus, and malaria. So it is important to take precautions to prevent mosquito bites. And the precautions are these. Use window screens to keep mosquitoes out. Wear long, loose-fitting clothes to keep mosquitoes off. Use insect repellent on exposed skin and clothing to keep mosquitoes away. Be sure also to empty any containers of standing water which serve as ideal breeding grounds for mosquitoes to lay their eggs.